Before, after. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Motorcycle Rewind, and today we get to take the CB750 tank and finally wet sand it, and as a bonus we get to take the Moto Guzzi tank and wet sand it, get it ready for maybe its next coat of color, or it may be good enough to move ahead right here. So that's what we're going to be doing. You can see our tools for today: a whole bunch of wet sandpaper, some sprayway, some gloves, bunch of towels, Starbucks drink. We're ready to go. Okay guys, so we're going to start off with, I've got 600 to 1,015, but I think I'm going to start off with 1,000 because I'd rather start with a finer grit sandpaper and leave more paint on. Guys, if there's a better way to do this, please let me know in the comments. And hey, while you're down there commenting, hit the subscribe button. Okay guys, I'm just using some spray away glass cleaner because I like the way it lubricates. You can use water, you can use dish soap. I'm using this because I have it right here. So just wetting everything up and then just going at it. Again, I'm starting with 1,000 grit sandpaper, and then we're just going to work our way up in higher grits of sandpaper. Again, I'd rather start with the higher grit sandpaper. Just be careful of the corners if you have corners on your anything, because you'll burn through those pretty quickly. So just be careful. Even this big sweepy corner, you'll burn through it pretty quick. So let's see what it looks like. I went through and need to get a little bit more right there. You see how I got a little low spot right there? But it's starting to look better. Look, you can start to see. I want to eliminate all the orange peel. See how it's getting flatter and flatter? That's just going to make it so much better. It'll pop. Before, after. So guys, there you have it. How we take a rattle can paint job and make it look a whole lot better. Guys, just takes a little time, energy, and effort. Some elbow grease, some wet sandpaper, rubbing compound and polishing compound, and then just go at it. The results are pretty freaking awesome. So guys, as always, thanks for watching yet another episode of Motorcycle Rewind. And do me a favor, like, tag, share, and follow us on Instagram. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Thanks again, guys, and have a great day.